Hi, my name is Sean Weldon. I'm a product manager at Meter Group, and today we're going to go over the installation of the TEROS 32 field tensiometer. The first step is we're going to start with our auger, and we're going to drill the pilot hole for the sensor. When drilling this pilot hole, you want to make sure that it's at an angle of at least 10 degrees when you're drilling that hole. This will help prevent bubbles from getting trapped in the air lines in case of cavitation. We'll start with our angle and start drilling our pilot hole. You're going to start with your filled tensiometer. You want to make sure that the yellow sticker is facing up for a downward installation or facing down for an upward installation. During this process, it's important not to touch the ceramic tip, as oils from your fingers can cause the pores to clog. You'll then take the tensiometer and gently push it into the pilot hole that you've created. Then make sure that the silicone ring is flat against the surface. This prevents water from going down the shaft of the tensiometer and allows it to spread evenly and naturally. Once the sensor has been in place for about 30 minutes to 1 hour, you will want to refill the tensiometer following the instructions in the TEROS 32 refilling video.